In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio add-ons that aren't working. If you're a fan of streaming content through Stremio and have been encountering issues with your add-ons, you've come to the right place for help. There are a few straightforward steps you can take to solve these problems. So let's dive right in. First, let's try restarting Stremio, which can be surprisingly effective. Begin by making sure to close Stremio entirely. It's important not just to minimize the window, but to fully close the application. Once it's shut down, open it again. This simple action can resolve temporary connection hiccups that might have been causing the add-ons to malfunction. After reopening Stremio, take a moment to test the add-on you were having trouble with to see if the issue persists. If restarting doesn't do the trick, the next step is to ensure you are using the latest version of Stremio. Keeping your application updated is crucial because older versions might not be compatible with the latest add-ons. Check for any available updates and install them to make sure your software is up to date. Having the latest version can enhance functionality and resolve compatibility issues that may be affecting add-on performance. Should the add-on still not work after updating, it's time to focus specifically on the problematic add-on by reinstalling it. Start by navigating to the add-ons section within Stremio, which you can recognize by its puzzle piece icon. Once there, locate the specific add-on that is giving you trouble in the My Add-ons list. Click on it and proceed to uninstall the add-on. Removing it will clear any previous settings or corrupted files that might have been hindering its performance. To reinstall the add-on, find it again in the add-ons section and click to install. Following this step helps reset the add-on settings, providing a fresh start that can often resolve lingering issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, restarting Stremio, updating to the latest version, and reinstalling the problematic add-on, you should be able to resolve most issues you're experiencing with your Stremio add-ons. It's always worthwhile to perform these checks as regular maintenance to prevent future issues and ensure a smooth streaming experience. If you have tried these steps and are still experiencing issues, consider reaching out to Stremio's support team for further assistance. They can provide more in-depth help tailored to your specific situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in getting your Stremio add-ons back on track. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and guides. Happy streaming!